What is ROI? Return on investment. Return on investment measures the profitability or efficiency of an investment. It shows you how much you earn or lose from an investment relative to its cost. ROI is a simple but powerful tool to assess the potential of various investments, whether it's for business, stocks, or property. Steps to calculate your return on investment. Number 1, determine your net profit, that's your gain. Subtract the initial investment from the total returns, that's the earning generated. Number 2, divide by the initial investment. This gives you the return relative to your cost. Then number 3, multiply by 100 to express ROI as a percentage. Example, you invest $1,000 in stocks and a year later your investment grows to $1,200. Your net gain is $1,200 minus $1,000, and that equals $200. Your ROI is $200 divided by $1,000 multiplied by 100, and that is 20%. This means you earn a 20% return on your investment. ROI helps you to compare different investment opportunities and assess whether you are getting a good return. A higher return on investment indicates more profitability, but it's important to consider the risk and other factors alongside it. It's a key tool for making informed financial decisions. Subscribe to my channel for more information like this. Like, comment, and share. I remain your favorite realtor, Sandra. Have a nice day. Bye.